Laboratory requests. The Laboratory tab connects directly to the perfect laboratory management system. We have a separate video that explains the full features of the laboratory management system in detail. Doctors use this tab to request laboratory tests for patients. When creating a request, doctors can choose from predefined laboratory panels or order individual custom tests. Once a laboratory request is submitted, it is automatically logged in the patient timeline and instantly appears in the laboratory system, where the laboratory technician can continue the workflow. The medical team can then track the status of each request, allowing them to see whether tests are pending, received, completed. Once the laboratory technician enters the results, doctors will be able to review the results directly from this tab and either accept or reject them if necessary. Doctors can also view attached results, including PDFs or scanned reports, directly within the visit file.